We stand at the edge of a busy road, we must cross, but the light is red. All we can do is wait, and watch. This road is like your mind, constantly busy. And the vehicles, these are your thoughts. Each thought of the past, of the future, is just a vehicle passing by. The drivers are your emotions, steering these thoughts with great force and speed, craving for this, aversion for that. In Vipassana, we learn to just stand at the edge of the road, we simply observe. A thought of desire comes, it comes, and it goes. A thought of anger comes, it also comes, and it goes. We do not try to stop the traffic, we do not try to jump in front of a car we like or run from one we fear, we simply observe its nature. Impermanent. Anicca. Sometimes the traffic is chaotic. Our teacher, our guide, helps us understand the flow. He doesn't stop our thoughts for us, but shows us how to observe them without being overwhelmed. And the lights, they are the states of our own mind. As long as we are reacting, the light is red, we cannot cross, we cannot find peace. But when you practice just observing, without reacting, with perfect equanimity, the light turns green. This is the moment of wisdom. The moment you understand the true nature of the mind. You see the thoughts for what they are, and they no longer control you. Now, you can cross. You can